I want you to look sexy and feel confident in your clothes without overcomplicating it. I've watched a lot of men's style guides and I don't think they really solve the problem. They tell you to go buy these pants, these shirts, these shoes, and there you go, you have style. But for a guy looking to actually upgrade, it just doesn't work like that. Because the same outfit can look incredible on one guy and completely wrong on another, and nobody ever explains why. My goal is not to have people compliment your style, but to compliment you. It's not style for style's sake, but showing you are a confident, intriguing, well put together person. Studies show that appearance and clothing alone create a strong halo effect, meaning you will be perceived better in every way just based off of how you look. It's like how people with glasses are perceived as smarter. We're taking that same phenomenon and using it intentionally by getting the clothes that give us a halo, that make us come across as more attractive and well put together. A lot of guys think being well dressed means wearing the most expensive clothes or copying the guy on Instagram, but it's not. And because I do my research, I called a few of my girlfriends, and here's what they have to say.
I think something that makes a guy's style attractive is usually when it's like simple and clean, it like looks put together, something that's not over the top. I feel like a good example is like stuff that you wear. It's just like less is more.
I think at the end of the day, if they can tell that like someone's put effort into their outfit and they feel confident in it, I think that's what really makes style attractive.
The thing is, girls aren't just attracted to only these type of shoes and only these type of pants. They just want you to wear clothes that look good on you and be confident in them. But most guys don't actually know what that means or how to find clothes that do that. The first thing comes down to being in shape. You don't need the craziest physique. Pretty much just don't be fat. And honestly, you can build a great base without ever even leaving the house, which I actually just made a guide on. People have different body types and that's fine, but being overweight ruins a simple and sexy aesthetic. So that's the baseline. Next, you want to make sure the clothes actually fit you properly. This matters more than the actual clothes themselves, and I'm 100% serious about that. Here's what you're actually looking for. The hem should sit right at the hip, not too long or cropped. I find a lot of shirts can start to bunch down there, and if that's the case, put it back. The shoulder seam sits right at the edge of your shoulder. Up top around the chest and biceps, you want it fitted. You want to see the shape of your body up there. Through the midsection, you can have a little more room. You don't want a shirt hugging your stomach, and that actually gives it a much cleaner look. If it's not fitting right, put it back. I know a lot of guys aren't picky, and honestly, neither am I, but you have to be when it comes to fit. Classic tees is a great place to start, and it's what I'm wearing right now. Good fitting, simple clothes look effortless. And that is really what people mean when they say you should look confident in your clothes. Confidence is just looking comfortable, like you aren't even trying. There's an Italian word, sprezzatura, which basically means the art of making something look intentionally effortless. This is incredibly important to a sexy look. We want our outfits to be cohesive without being overstated. The first thing you really want to avoid is large logos. Graphics are okay, but only one per outfit. Large logos and multiple graphics take away from us and make the outfit feel over the top. Most of your wardrobe should be basics in neutral colors. Color can be great, but keep it to one non-neutral tone per outfit. I personally like to wear green because it brings out my eyes. But ideally, the color you use should be intentional, something that brings out a piece of you that you like. It's worth thinking about the color contrast between your features and your clothes. Lighter features typically pair better with darker clothes. Darker features typically pair better with lighter clothes because it creates a natural contrast. Basics, meaning jeans, Henleys, t-shirts, etc., are great because as long as they fit right, they look good. Less is more, and when you cut out everything that doesn't matter, the emphasis falls on us, on what actually matters. The effortlessness and how it accentuates us is what makes it sexy. It's not going to be the graphic, bagginess, or layering. In a world where most people are focused on trends and logos, if you focus on fit and quality, you will stand out.
Real quick before we move on, I'm starting to realize the best way to actually help you guys get clear skin, build an aesthetic body, dial in your hair care, stop and prevent thinning hair, and overall just find your best look is to work with you directly. So I'm super excited to be opening up a program for guys who want to take their aesthetic to the next level. Not just style, but everything else too. If that sounds interesting to you, the waitlist link is in the description. Spots are going to be limited, and by the time you're watching this, it might even already be live. So go check that out.
But you still may be asking, Luke, how do I take my basics to the next level? Well, the answer is actually quite simple, and it's to accessorize. The right accessories quietly elevate a basic outfit without adding noise. The rules for accessories are simple. Keep it simple and make sure nothing is competing for attention. A clean chain and a simple bracelet adds just enough to a look without taking anything away from it. A watch does the same thing. It adds a layer of detail that makes the whole outfit feel more put together. You don't need an expensive watch, you just need one that fits your wrist and your outfit well. Hats can work really well, but they need to make sense with the outfit. A clean fitted cap or a simple dad hat in a neutral color can really tie a casual look together. Sunglasses can also really help frame your face and add to a look. But keep the frame simple, make sure they actually fit your face, and only wear them when it actually makes sense to have sunglasses on. I don't want to catch any of you guys outside in the dead of winter on a cloudy day looking like you're about to walk a red carpet. And don't sleep on things like wired earbuds or headphones. They're functional, but they add to the aesthetic in a way that feels cool and effortless without any real effort. My overall advice with accessories is the same as everything else. 1 or 2 intentional pieces, nothing loud, nothing competing, and they will completely elevate your look. When it comes to finding clothes you like and want to buy, I actually don't recommend just going into a store and picking out what you see. Instead, go to Pinterest, Instagram, or if you're super aesthetic, you can use Cosmos. And look for pieces that you like and fit the rest of the requirements. This lets you see the way the piece should look and fit on someone else first, and also gives you an idea of what you can wear it with. Thinking in terms of outfits, not just clothes, will get you a better end result. Another way to find clothes that will look good on you is to find a celebrity that matches your body type and take inspiration from them. In other words, find someone who is doing it well and copy them. I like Jack Harlow's personal brand. I like the way the media and the public perceive him, so it's very easy for me to get inspired by his wardrobe. If you want to look good in simple outfits, the easiest way to do that is copy someone who does. Copy someone whose brand it is to be attractive and wear good outfits that complement them. Then take a good look at the wardrobe you have right now and ask yourself, when I wear these clothes, do they help me be perceived in the way I want to be? If they aren't high quality, don't fit you well, and don't serve you, there's no reason to be wearing them. If this video helps you out, then please like and subscribe. It lets me make this kind of video on other topics to help you out. I just made a video on smelling good, and it's already been changing people's experiences. So if you're free, go check that out right now.